Get that ass up, it's time. Good morning, y'all. It's early. Get everything together. Get some coffee. I stayed up really late last night, and unfortunately, I'm tired. Look what I got at the store yesterday. Did y'all know they sold? When I got up, it seems like everybody was tired. I had some rice left over, so guess what? We doing bacon fried rice this morning. And it's going to be a quick one. We're going to go out and get some fall things and see what's out there. It's kind of gloomy today. Looks like it's raining a little bit, but that's okay. We still going to get out. Fall is actually my favorite season. I love when the trees change color and they got all the good products in the stores. They discount all the spices and the flavors, and that's kind of what I'm all about. I love all of that stuff. So breakfast was done really quick, and the kids were happy. It definitely wasn't a cereal day. It's that season where everything's going around, so Brooklyn was just really sick. And so, and I just wanted to get everything cleaned up and organized. This was a quick grocery haul I did overnight because they had a few things on sale. So if you guys didn't know, I used to do cakes full time, and I don't know why I got into everything today, but I wanted to organize, and so I have stuff in here that has been in here that I've used, that I haven't used. It was just a mess, and I just really needed to go through everything. It actually broke my heart into 1,000 pieces because I love all this stuff, and if you buy cake stuff, you know it's very expensive. So the stuff I can put away, I actually just put in a bin and put away. All the other stuff that's perishable, I had to throw out. I was starving after all that work, so I had a quick lunch and then got back to it. I like to keep things in the refrigerator in case people get hungry or we don't have time to cook. So I made a quick tuna salad with the eggs that I had. And I had a lot of garlic. I bought a big bulk thing of garlic. So I decided for the first time to make my own Texas toast. So I chopped up some garlic. As you can see, that big giant garlic thing I have there. And this is 2 sticks of butter. As you can see, I did not use all of that garlic. I just used a little bit. I added some parsley here, but you can add your own herbs or whatever you want. This is just some shredded Parmesan I'm adding. Mix everything up and just put it to the side because you're going to use it when you put it on your toast. This bread I actually got from Sam's Club. It was really cheap. It was like $7. It was like 2 really long baguettes that they came in. And they're tiny, so as you can see, they're perfect size instead of like that giant piece of Texas toast, which I don't mind a giant piece because it's delicious, but I actually froze some of these for later. So of course we added cheese to them, and then you're going to pop them in the freezer, and I don't know how long. You're just going to freeze them until the stuff doesn't fall off of them. So as you can see, we froze them. It's going to be probably about 30 minutes or so. And most of the cheese should not come off when you flip them over. At this point, you can go ahead and make you some, like we put ours in the air fryer or in the oven. Or if you're not going to use all of them, like I didn't use all of them, I'm putting them in a Ziploc bag, and you just save them just like Texas. I froze the rest of the garlic and the butter. I actually froze them in scoops just like I did the Texas toast, and you can use that when you're cooking or for something later. This is the pasta I made with the Texas toast, and as you can see, they came out really good. And yes, it was raining, so ponytail it is. Hi, how are you? Where's all your fall stuff? Over there? Kind of everywhere?
Michael Desi.
They had a few things at the other store, but we ended up going to Hobby Lobby. It was just me and Dayla because the minis were in school. I actually asked the lady because they were missing a lot of things, but she said, I guess it's still early, so they haven't got their shipment. They had hella Christmas stuff though. So I went and I got out and got a couple fall things. I'm not a big fall person. Like the whole house being orange and pumpkins. I mean, it feels good, but I don't want it in my house. So I just got a few things while I was out. I got these hot chocolate bombs. These are for the kids. We usually do them at Christmas time, but they're the same thing. They're just pumpkin flavored. I got this pumpkin ice tray, and you can use it for like, I don't know, say if you did like candy, or if you put chocolate or did gummies, or, you know, you can do any of those things in there. I got these, this box of flavorings. I actually got this at Marshall's because they're just like the coffee flavors. Like I think they're called Torani. But these, I don't like to drink the same flavor every day. And so they have caramel and brown butter toffee and cranberry, caramel apple butter, and cinnamon bun. So they had these in here. I really like those. I went to Bath and Body Works, and I'm sorry, I should be standing or somewhere where you can see, but I've been out all day and I'm tired and my feet hurt. And so that's what we doing. We right here. I got a new little, what you call it, to put all my scents in. I think they had 5 for $28 for the smell goods for the house. And so I got a couple of the ones that I really like. Because you know it's gonna smell good. I usually get like the cinnamon broom or whatever during this time, so it smells like fall. But I feel like if your house smells too good, then the ants come. You know what I mean? They're looking for snacks and brownies, and it's really just my cinnamon broom. So I got this. This is a spoon rest. It says grateful. If you can see that. I thought it was cute. I like the color. The tags on it so you can't see, but I like to have one when I'm cooking. And I did get these kitchen towels. I like that they're fall, but they're not too pumpkin. You know what I mean? They're not too fall. So they're nice. I got a big box of coffee. Gotta have that. Gotta have my Starbucks. And actually, it's just a fix because I didn't get my Nespresso pods yet. They're not here yet, but they better come on because they got a vanilla pistachio that I really want to try. I got some glasses, and it's actually a 4-pack. that I got. They were only like 10 bucks, and I think a lot of people have these glasses, but I don't have them yet. So I got these. And like I said, it's in a little box. It was only 10 bucks, not bad. And I got a couple other things. It's been a little while since I made a video, but life is happening and people want you to call them and visit them, and you have your own things. For me, I've been wanting to just get organized and kind of get on track. You got to put in your self-care. I mean, it's just sometimes you just got to back up and just do what it is you got to do. So today, I might cook a little bit later, and I'll show you guys if I do that. But other than that, I'm just picking up the kids and I'm gonna relax, you know, play a little Assassin's Creed. Easy breezy.